Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. It's so good to have you all around. It's been a minute, guys. Well, today I'm going to be making a Bantu knot, and this is actually my first time of making this. So I said to myself, I can as well just film this and we can learn this together. And if you're interested, then definitely do keep on watching. I will part this hairstyle and I'll be making use of kinky to achieve this hairstyle. I'll be showing you guys two methods in which I achieved this look. So the first step in achieving this look, I hold the tip of the hair and I twist the tip of the hair the way you twist thread, the old thread hairstyle you make during secondary school. And while I twist this, I usually leave a space in between the hairline, and once I get to the tip of the hair, I divided the kinky into two equal parts and I make a twist. Once I'm done covering the hairline properly with the twist, I fold the hair to the length that I want. So I kind of twist up and down. I secure the roots with the twist. And by the time I was done wrapping the part I twisted, I went ahead to twist each end to the tip of my finger, and I kept wrapping this all around. And at the end of the day, this part was time consuming. It consumed a lot of time. So that was when I came up with the second method. But I'll just go ahead to show you guys this first method again. For those of you who would want to go with this hairstyle or who would prefer this hairstyle to the second method. But though I kind of liked this particular method because it really gave me that look of a Bantu knot to the second method. Still on the first method, guys, I will go ahead to make use of my Gorilla Styling Gel to lay down her edges so it all comes out nice and smooth. Now to the second method. I make sure I twist this hair from the root of the hair to the tip of the hair, just so I don't find it difficult to twist this all the way around. And I actually prefer this particular method to the first method that I made use of, because it was so easy for me to finish this easily without stressing myself. Meanwhile, I left space in between while twisting, just like the first method. Before I divided the kinky into two equal parts and I twisted this to the end of the hair. This particular method was so easy for me to wrap it all the way around without having to twist each end with the tip of my finger. Like, I found it so easy to achieve this method compared to the first method. Thanks for sticking around with me till the end of this video, guys. And I trust this video was helpful to you all. Shout out to my new subscribers who just subscribed to my channel. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to subscribe and like this video. Do well also to leave a comment in the section down below, and do stick around with me by clicking on one of those videos, you know. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.